Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log out all devices from your WhatsApp account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the WhatsApp app. After the home page of WhatsApp opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see three dots which will open up a menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the three dots, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, click on this linked devices option. Once you click on linked devices option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, which devices are connected to your WhatsApp will be shown. In my case, a Windows device or a laptop or a computer has been logged into my WhatsApp account. To simply remove this device from my WhatsApp account, all I'll have to do is click on that device, which will open up a pop-up. Now on this pop-up, click on this logout button and there you go, your WhatsApp account has been removed from that device. I hope this video helped you to remove other devices from your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.